chilly morning here today. Quite gloomy. Expecting rain in the next 24 hours, so that sucks. That's Larry. He's just about to get going on the turbo till. As for the drill, well, Jeff shut it down last night. It was having some issues. Got it going this morning for a little bit, having more issues. Told me he's ready to sell it. I'll have a new one by the end of the week if all goes his way, so not a great start for the drill. I wanted to grab a globe for Larry, so he had some GPS. And he is just trying to get that sorted right now. On the good news front, Larry and I have figured out the GPS. He'll be tilling away for the rest of the day. They floated on some urea yesterday. All these little white guys. Yeah, he's just tilling those in, working them in. Yeah, on the bad news front, however, sounds like the drill is maybe done for. This is not good to see. Means they couldn't sort this baby out. I've just been trying to get ready for the rain a little bit. Last time it rained, these hoppers were full of water, so gonna empty them and Jeff can fertilize his garden, flip them upside down. Oh God! Sweet bucket. Home Depot. Right on, Larry. Here's the field we left yesterday. Got about 7 acres of beans into her. We're back here now because we're gonna take some barley out of this bag. Looks like Jeff does not want to use the grain cart. Wants to load straight into the truck. There was a bit of an issue before because he couldn't get into the field because it was wet. I don't know if conditions have improved that much. We'll see. Might get stuck.
I can fill this, fill that, take it home, empty them, and then I gotta take these accepted on.
Oh, okay.
I can pack everything up for the night.
Little moist here where the grain cart was still. I don't know what the issue is there. Waiting for it to dry up over here. Uh-oh.
Right here.
Oh, shoot.
But I can't get the hood open and get the channel locks or something. Nope.
That'd be nice if it was an easy problem.
There's a big old nest in here, but...
So I'm heading home in the grain cart. We're not sure what's wrong with the Volvo. We are half hoping that it is just low on fuel and at a slight angle that it's not able to get any fuel. To slightly complicate matters, we still are without a service truck which has the fuel tank on it. So Jeff is going to grab some cherry cans and head back out there with his fingers crossed. Meanwhile, I'm going to get a load of barley in this cart because the dairy farmer needs some feed. Where are we to, Slowpoke? Alright, and Larry's back. Finished tilling all that fertilizer in across the way. Somebody got something done today. Cool. what a day. Not a great one. That's going to do it for me today. Jeff and Randy are at the Volvo trying to get it started. I haven't heard from them, so I'm hoping that means they were successful and are loading up some barley. So I'm out of here. Till tomorrow. Howdy, folks. Well, as you can see, it's a bit of a gloomy day. Almost good for us because our drill isn't working anyways. So Jeff and Randy may go shopping for a new one today, new used one. They got a couple to go look at. I might go with them, but I'm on a little side project myself as my dad got his Skidsteer stuck. Couple little green tractor here, and we're gonna go try to yank them out. Here's a little deer. Way down there. Here's the Skidsteer. Oh yeah, no problem. Slow down. No problem.